Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our 5th alternate card using elements from the December 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. And as it is a Thursday, we're doing Throwback Thursday, I am pulling in Layering Leaves with the greeting that says, "So happy to celebrate you," and the little scatter dots. So every time I unbox my kit and I take out my my die cuts like this, I always look at the piece of paper they've come out of, kind of the negative of what's come out. And quite often they can be just as pretty as the die cut itself. So what I've got here is I've got a blueberry bushel card base. Now, blueberry bushel isn't one of the colors that technically matches in the set, but I wanted something really quite nice and bright for this card. And I'm not really a huge fan of green, so I chose to go with the blue for this one. I've taken the negative of the die cut, or what's left over when you take the die cut out, and I've trimmed it down, and I've used my blending brush with blueberry bushel on it. I've got one of the vellum pieces, and I've got one of the greeting blanks, and I've put some blueberry bushel ink around the edge. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp the greeting and some of the scatter dots. And I haven't put this together. I'm not entirely sure how it's going to look, but I've got some ribbon and some bling, and we're going to see what we can build. So I'm popping this down. So happy to celebrate you. And I'm just going to lean over. My hair is probably going to get in the frame because I want to make sure I'm straight. So happy to celebrate you. And then we're just going to add in some scatter dots at the bottom here and some scatter dots at the top, just like that. This gives it a little bit of interest. And we can start building the card. So I'm just going to move those off to the side. Okay. And the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to just flat mount this card base. I've cut it down to 5 1/4 by 4. So we're just going to pop this down like this. There we go. And then I need to attach this to the back of this. So I'm just going to pop it over so I can see if I've got anywhere where I can actually add a little bit of adhesive to just pop this down. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some adhesive and I'm just going to put some in the corners like this. Okay, so then we're going to pop this down. There we go. There. So we've popped that down like that. And I am going to flat mount this to here. So I'm going to come across the corners like this. And right up into that corner. There we go. And we're going to pop this down. Just going to line it up as in the middle as best we can. I don't have a measurement for this. I just trimmed it with as much white space as I could between the other pieces. Now, I haven't put any ribbon on this, but I think the ribbon is almost too stark for this, so I'm not going to worry about the ribbon, but I am going to use some dimensionals just to pop the middle up from the rest, like this, and then I'm going to use my Charming Shimmer Faceted Gems, and we're going to put a little bit of bling on this. So super, super simple, really, to do this one. Just a little bit of blending work. And we're going to pop this right down in the middle, like that. And I'm almost thinking we could put a little bit of the leaves along here using this one. So I'm just going to try that. So bear with me on the video. If you want to fast forward, go ahead and fast forward. But we're going to just try and do something with this. And I'm just going to grab my plates. The nice thing about these dies is they fit through the mini machine. So let's just pop this open and put this down. Okay, and I'm just going to grab my scrap bin, and what do I have? Now, do I want to add some green leaves to this, or do I want, I'm going blue. So we're going to pull out some blueberry bushel paper, and I'm just going to trim a piece off. Doesn't have to be exact because I'm using it for die cuts. Okay, and I'm going to do one this way. Okay, and I'm just going to pull this out from underneath just to make it a little easier. Okay. So yes, this is me creating on the fly, as I do with my paper pumpkin kits, because I only buy one kit. So this one will tuck under here like this. Now I'm going to do, I want one to go the other way. So I'm just going to see how this works. In my mind, it's going to work, but we never know. No, it's not going to work because it'll just come out the same way. So we're just going to do it the same way. Yes, sorry. Thinking out loud is confusing, and I appreciate that. So we're just going to do another one of these. And we're just going to make it work. So you can turn it over so it's the other way up, but you can see there's a difference in them. So I'm going to tuck this one like this, I think. Or maybe I can just do two on this side. Yep, let's do two on the one side. So let's just get all of this out of the way. I have a cabinet on the other side of me, and I just have a drawer open. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take these, very carefully pull this one out so I don't rip any of the paper. And I'm just going to put some adhesive on it. Okay, same as this one, a little bit of adhesive. And we're going to tuck this one in like this, and this one in like this. There we go. So we've got a little bit of interest on that side. Let's pull our bling out, and I'm just going to make sure that this is the color of bling that I want, and I'm not 100% sure. So let's go back to our these gems that are available in January, the Sparkle Dot Essentials, and we'll use these. And I'm going to have all of these ones used up before we even get to January here. So I'm just going to pop one layer like that. One up here. I'm just going to hold that edge down there. And okay, need to wind some more of that out. And I'm going to pop one right here like this. So that is our 5th card, our Throwback Thursday using the Layering Leaves set. And you can put a piece of basic white on the inside if you want. If you use black ink, you should be able to read it just fine on there. But this is using the negative from the die cut, and then the grading and the scatter dots from the Layering Leaves. So that is our 5th alternate with the December 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So thank you so much for watching. We've got one more alternate airing tomorrow.